Statistics defining in singular sense. So, in plural sense, statistics means facts which are expressed numerically. But in case of singular sense, the term statistics has been defined in a different manner. If we are to express statistics in singular sense, it means statistical methods. That is, it is a method which helps in dealing with the numerical facts. Suppose we are having a large amount of statistical data, and for understanding the data and giving conclusions from that data, we need to follow some methods and or some statistical methods. And these are the methods which is what statistics is about in singular sense. So the above definition covers the following statistical methods. Therefore, suppose just that we are to convert a study about finding the average height of students in a particular class. So simply just collection of data is not enough. We have to follow a certain statistical method which includes the following steps. Number 1, collection of data. The first step is to take out the data, that is asking all the students of the class their height. So that is the first step, collection of data. Number 2, organization of data. So after collection of data, we are to organize this data, that is how many boys, how many girls, which section, which class. So we are to organize this data. And number 3, presentation of data. After collection and organization, we need to present the data in a particular form. So data collected and organized are presented in some systematic manner to make statistical analysis easier. So this can be with the help of tables or with the help of any kind of diagrams. So after presentation of the data in any of the forms such as tables, diagrams and graphs, the fourth step is analysis of the data. So the next stage is analysis of the data which we have already presented in the form of any kind of tables or diagrams. So there are many number of methods for analyzing of data, which can be arithmetic mean, dispersion, correlation, etc. And lastly, the step is interpretation of data. So interpretation refers to understanding the data and taking out conclusion from the data. It implies drawing of conclusions on the basis of the analyzed data in the earlier stage. On the basis of this conclusion, certain decisions can be taken. For example, that we were taking, if we find the heights of all the students, we have to arrange it in the form of boys, girls, then section wise. Then we should apply some kind of method, maybe arithmetic mean or median, and then we need to find conclusion from the result, that is what is the average height of the girls or what is the average height of the boys. Like this we can take out conclusion. Thus, in singular sense, statistics refers to statistical methods. So it is important to note that each stage of statistical study involves the use of some standard techniques or methods, and these methods are called statistical tools, which we shall be learning in the next classes.